What's going on, everyone? This is iCoverTech, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel any subscription that you have with your Apple ID on your iOS device. The first thing you need to do is go into Settings, tap your name, iTunes and App Store, your Apple ID, scroll down to Subscriptions. Now here's where you're going to be able to cancel or manage your subscriptions. Tap whichever one you want, and you can change it here, or you can cancel it. Then confirm your cancellation if that's what you want to do. I don't want to, so not now. And then just swipe up from the bottom or hit your home button and you're done. Now I hope this was helpful. If it was, go and give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.